Welcome to Always Occupied, home and product reviews. Today we have the eco-worthy solar fountain. This is a 12-watt water fountain, 196 gallons per hour. This thing has a lift height of 6 foot. Right here it says 5.6 foot, but you might could give it 6 foot. But 5.6 foot lift height. Now, if somebody asks me what is the lifespan of this, it says the lifespan is 20,000 hours. Now, I just did a pump review from the Popo store from Amazon, and the pump actually went up on me during the review. But that's neither here nor there. All right, this pump comes with 2 adapters, but you can do the third one as a regular bullet if you want. So each one of these extensions are 3 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. You get 1 foot. You get 1 foot height. Now, this is what I like opposed to the other, skinny extension fountains. You don't even get 12 inches of height. Now, you get more when you hook it up to the pump, and then you get more because this is basically an extension also. This is another 2 inches. I would say 15 inches in the air. Okay, so with your wire, you get 16 foot of wire. That's pretty long. If you want this in a shaded garden, like I have shaded gardens in some areas, and then sunlight will be 10 foot away most of the time, then this is perfect for you. 16 foot of wire. Awesome. As usual, if you want your pump work at its maximum potential, you will have to clean the filter right there. Now, you may ask, does this come with extra filters? No, you don't get extra filters. This is not like the round solar fountains. The round solar fountains, they actually give you extra filters. For this stuff being $50 and up, can y'all just add maybe 3 more filters? But I think if you want to get more filters, just contact the company or go online. You might find some filters online. Let's get the pump out the way. Now we have the panel. One of the most important pieces to your pump, because without this panel, your pump don't work. Alright, so this is basically the power source, just like my other pump out there. You hook it up to the cable from your pump, and then magic happens. Alright, now this one is a little bit different from the one that I got in the yard. The one I got in the yard actually has a ball where you attach it here and then it sticks on the ground. But with this situation here, you have a little slot where it goes in between just like that. And now it holds it. So you can either lean it, have it on the grass like that, or you can put your extensions on and put it in the dirt like this. So however you want to do it, you can do it. Now if you want to hang it on your fence, put 2 screws on your fence, or 3 screws, however many you want. So 1, 2, and 3, and just prop it on your fence. Now, while it's on your fence, just remember you can't tilt it because the screws will interfere from you tilting this. Me, I might just have it on the ground. And since it's 16 foot of wire, it will definitely be somewhere further away. So that's it with the panel. That's it with the panel. That's it with the pump. And let's go to the field. Submerge your pump before you turn it on. If you do, you can burn up your motor. Oh, suction is good. Okay, you guys, we got the pump hooked up, so let's go ahead and hook it up to the panel. All right, so this is pretty much powerful. The one I got out there already that y'all seen me with was a 5 watt. This one is a 12 watt. Put one of the features on. This is my favorite one. Push it all the way down, then the water come out like this. This is my favorite one. And of course, the other one is the one that sprays up. I might have it too high right now. Let's see. So that's how that one goes. I don't have it in all the way. So let me take some of these extensions off. This is still coming out. This trash lid is at least 21 inches. So take that in mind. Okay. So you can do whatever you want to do. You can fill this up with rocks and have fun with it. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have it this low, and I'm gonna have the rocks going around. So stay tuned to that. Okay, you guys, so this is pretty much days or a week later after having this pump. Something that I actually learned with this pump that, you know, I never knew for years. I didn't know the suctions came off. So when you take the face shield out for the filter, you can actually slide the suction cups out. And this part says arrow out, and slide these suction cups out. Now the reason why I'm doing this is because I don't need the suction cups. Everything is already stabilized. So this is perfect for me. Love this product, and I'll plug y'all in wherever I plug y'all in at. Okay, you guys, so that's it with that solar fountain right there. I like it. It's very powerful, more powerful than the one I got in the field already. 12 watts. So I tried to get a 20 watt, but obviously the 20 watt didn't work. So we'll look for another 20 watt, and then we going to do some more water projects. So if you like these reviews, please leave a like, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel. Catch y'all in the next video.